What's your first name?
Michael.
Michael, you just got in the Relax Sauna for about 7 minutes.
I did. I'm 6 months post-knee replacement, and I've had swelling and pain because I've been on my feet all day, and 6 minutes in this, and I don't have any pain. I can't believe it. I don't want to believe it, but I do.
Yeah, believe it.
It really is.
Yeah,
it's wonderful.
If you, what was your level of pain before, like from a 1 to 10?
Like 3.
Yeah.
And now it's like, below 1.
Yeah, good. We'll come back a couple more times. Yeah, nothing. This isn't normal for you.
Well, usually I have to lay down, put my leg up, ice it for 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and then
This was easier.
this was a reset. This and much
The
easier.
Relax Sauna. Oh yeah, it's the Relax Sauna.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay.
I'll be back.
RelaxSaunas with the nest.com. Thank you a lot, Michael.
Thank you.
Yeah.